YouTube. So, as you can see, 2000 Cadillac DeVille, and let's see if any of you had this kind of issue where you was driving and every time that you turn right, you heard some little crinkly sounds like there was some beads or something like that up in your engine. And your mechanic probably told you that, oh, it's coming from your transmission. Well, before you start doing a whole bunch of stuff, try checking your starter. And as you can see, this was the issue. The ping in the starter, you can't see it right here, it's loose. That's what's causing all the issues. It's hitting your flywheel. So every time you turn right, it's hitting your flywheel and it's making a little pink sound. So if you ever have that type of experience in your Cadillac DeVille 2000s to 2012, check your starter first. It's probably that. I'm out.